Welcome, kids. Let's learn science.
A, B, C, D, sing with me. Learning English fun and free. 1, 2, 3, count along. Math is easy, math is strong. Science helps us ask and see how the world can really be. Think and learn in every way. Markimatics leads the way. Learn, learn, come and play. We get smarter every day.
Our lesson for today is about reversible and irreversible changes caused by heat.
Let's begin. Leo melts butter. To make it solid, what does Leo need? And the correct answer is letter A, freezing. Mia's ice melts. What happens if Mia puts the water back in the freezer? And the correct answer is letter B, it turns solid. Ben's crayon wax is liquid. To make it hard, what is needed? And the correct answer is letter A, cool air.
Lily heats metal and it melts. When it cools, what happens? And the correct answer is letter A, goes back to normal. Tom's ice pop melted. What is the result if Tom puts the juice back in the freezer? And the correct answer is letter A, it will freeze again. Ella's water is steaming. The steam can turn back into what? And the correct answer is letter B, water drops.
Sam melted cheese. To make it firm, where should Sam place it? And the correct answer is letter A, in the fridge. David wants ice. To get ice from water, what must David do? And the correct answer is letter B, freeze the water. Olivia melted chocolate. To make it hard again, where should she put it? And the correct answer is letter B, refrigerator.
Jacob has liquid oil. What turns the oil back into a white solid? And the correct answer is letter B, the cold air. Noah's frozen juice melted. What happens if Noah puts the juice in the freezer? And the correct answer is letter A, it gets hard. Chloe melts ice. What happens if she freezes the water again? And the correct answer is letter B, it will become ice.
Ethan cooked an egg. What state will the egg always be in now? And the correct answer is letter B, solid. Ava baked a cake. What happened to the batter ingredients? And the correct answer is letter B, they changed permanently. Mason toasted bread. What is the new texture of the bread? And the correct answer is letter A, crispy or hard.
Sophie burned paper. The ash cannot turn back into what? And the correct answer is letter A, paper. Ryan cooked chicken. What happens if Ryan cools the cooked chicken? And the correct answer is letter B, it stays cooked. Isabella fried potatoes. What is the new state of the cooked fries? And the correct answer is letter B, firm and brown.
Liam cooked oatmeal. What happens to the oats when they cool? And the correct answer is letter A, they stay cook or soft. Hannah hardened clay into a pot. What is the final form of the clay? And the correct answer is letter A, hard pottery. Daniel fried crispy bacon. What kind of bacon will Daniel always have now? And the correct answer is letter B, crispy.
Grace burned her roll. What is the burnt part called now? And the correct answer is letter A, ash or char. Carter baked pizza dough. What did the soft dough turn into? And the correct answer is letter B, hard crust. Mia melted sugar into caramel, but caramel can never become what again? And the correct answer is letter A, powder sugar.
Out of 20 for questions, how many did you get right? Type your score in the comments section. If you want a printable copy of these task cards, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
A, B, C, D, sing with me. Learning English fun and free. 1, 2, 3, count along. Math is easy, math is strong. Science helps us ask and see how the world can really be. Think and learn in every way. Markimatics leads the way. Learn, learn, come and play. We get smarter every day.